Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dental pick is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining optimal oral hygiene, going beyond what a simple toothbrush can achieve by reaching those tricky spots and removing stubborn plaque and food particles that can lead to cavities and gum disease. This device is designed to meticulously clean between your teeth and along the gum line, ensuring a thorough clean that promotes healthier gums and fresher breath, making it an indispensable part of your daily dental care routine for a truly radiant smile. Number 5. DenTek Advanced Clean Floss Picks. Introducing DenTek's Advanced Clean Floss Picks. Experience a superior clean with every use. Tired of floss that breaks or shreds? Our advanced floss is designed for durability, ensuring a smooth and effective cleaning experience. Easily remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth. Achieve a healthier smile with this simple yet effective tool. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Reaching those tricky spots has never been easier. Get great value with this 150-count pack. Keep your smile healthy and clean for longer with this convenient supply. Make it a part of your daily routine for optimal oral hygiene. It's the perfect addition to your dental care regimen. What we like? This option offers a floss that is designed to be incredibly durable, preventing breakage and shredding during use. If you're tired of flimsy floss that breaks mid-clean, this is the perfect choice for you. It ensures a smooth and effective plaque removal experience every time. What people say? The floss is incredibly thin, yet remarkably strong. I've never experienced it breaking or shredding, no matter how diligently I use it. The pick end is great for getting stubborn food bits out after dinner. The floss itself is super tough. I haven't had one snap on me yet, which is a common problem with other brands I've tried. They have a nice fit. The sharp edge goes in a long ways and has ridges so I can loosen up some stuff that doesn't want to get out. I think the ridges on them is unique because I haven't seen that other ones. Number 4. G.CATACC 6-in-1 Dental Tools Kit. Achieve a dentist clean feeling right in your own home. These professional tools are designed to effectively remove tough plaque, stubborn tartar, and stains from your teeth. This complete 6-piece set includes everything you need, like mirrors and various scrapers. They are designed to reach even the most difficult areas for a thorough clean. Crafted from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, these tools are built for durability. You can rely on their strength and longevity for years of use. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with the non-slip handles. This ergonomic design allows for precise control and easy maneuvering during use. Everything is neatly organized in a compact case, with individual slots to keep each tool safe and clean. It's perfect for both home and travel. Simple instructions make this kit suitable for everyone, including beginners, family members, and even pets. Just sterilize and start enjoying cleaner teeth and fresher breath. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides a professional-grade set of tools for at-home dental care, including various scrapers and picks for hard-to-reach areas. If you want to achieve a dentist-like clean without leaving your home and appreciate long-lasting, high-quality instruments, this is the ideal selection for you. What people say? The picks are well-constructed, featuring sharp and precise tips. The tweezers are surprisingly effective, and each tool has a substantial weight that suggests a high standard of manufacturing and durability. The included storage case is well-designed, ensuring the tools remain secure and protected during transport. High-quality stainless steel dental tools, great for oral hygiene or projects around the house. The tools are very sturdy with a nice weight and thickness to them. The tools feel comfort in hand and have a gnarled grip to reduce slip and help maintain a good grip in wet, oily environments. Number 3. Bitvae Cordless Water Dental Flosser, Black. Discover a revolutionary way to clean your teeth. This cordless water flosser offers a powerful yet gentle cleaning experience for your entire mouth. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design, making it easy to use anywhere. Its rechargeable battery ensures it's always ready when you need it. With 3 distinct modes and 5 intensity levels, you can personalize your cleaning routine. Achieve optimal oral hygiene tailored to your needs. Designed for convenience, it features an IPX7 waterproof rating. This allows for safe and easy cleaning in the shower or by the sink. Achieve a deeper clean and a healthier smile with minimal effort. It effectively removes debris and plaque for superior oral health. This sleek black model not only performs exceptionally but also looks great in any bathroom. Upgrade your oral care routine today. What we like. This water flosser offers a convenient cordless design with multiple modes and intensities for a personalized cleaning experience. If you're looking for a modern, easy-to-use solution that can be taken anywhere and provides a thorough clean, this is the perfect fit for your routine. What people say. It has 4 or 5 different speeds, and it does a really great job at cleaning between teeth though. This thing will absolutely squirt water everywhere if you're not paying attention for even half a second. The water pressure is strong and effective, and the tank is a fair size. It comes with multiple tips and a charger, which charges fairly quickly. Number 2. Dental Duty Aqua Dental Tools. A toothbrush can only clean visible surfaces. Our powerful tools reach the spots that you miss, and the included mirror helps you see every inch for a precise clean. Say goodbye to complicated dentist visits. Use our tools to remove plaque and tartar for a deep clean, keeping your teeth and gums perfect for a healthy, bright smile. Achieve professional hygiene at home with our complete kit. It includes a mirror, scaler, scraper, and toothpick, available in multiple colors. Upgrade your tooth care routine with our kit. It's perfect for complementing whitening and stain removers, made with premium surgical-grade stainless steel for long-lasting results. Our mission is to improve your dental hygiene with high-quality tools that deliver fast results. See why so many people trust us to help build better habits. What we like. This kit includes a dental mirror to help you see and reach every corner of your mouth, crafted from premium surgical-grade stainless steel. If you want to ensure a precise and thorough clean by being able to see exactly what you're doing, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for those who are meticulous about their oral hygiene. What people say. The hooked scraper in this kit works well to remove the buildup. I used the spatula-like scraper with the sharp beveled edge and was able to pin the edge of the suture remnant against the tooth and drag it out completely. The tools are sturdy, well-made, and feel like professional quality. Each piece has a good weight to it and is easy to grip, making it simple to target plaque in hard-to-reach areas. Number 1. G.CATACC 10-in-1 Dental Tools Set. Achieve a professional clean right in your own home. This comprehensive set includes all the tools you need for deep cleaning between dental visits. Easily remove tough stains, tartar, and plaque for brighter teeth and fresher breath. The tongue cleaner works in seconds for ultimate oral hygiene. With an anti-slip handle and angled tips, these tools offer a comfortable grip and precise control. They are designed to reach even the most difficult areas with confidence. Crafted from high-strength stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They are dishwasher safe and feature protective caps for safe storage. Keep your dental hygiene kit organized and accessible with the included handy case. Use it every day, everywhere, and show off your bright smile. What we like. This extensive 10-in-1 set includes a variety of tools, even a tongue cleaner, to tackle all aspects of oral hygiene with easy-to-follow instructions. If you desire a complete oral care solution that goes beyond just teeth cleaning and want to achieve ultimate oral hygiene with confidence, this is the set you should consider. What people say. The tools are as advertised, very sturdy. Works great. Durable and all around a good dental kit to have. They are stainless steel, and they do the job, just like at the dentist. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.